It's the boy, Brian Bacardi. It's the boy, Brian Bacardi. You know what I mean? I'm finna make a new video. I ain't making one in a month. And like in a month. Cause my cousin, I know y'all heard. Shit sad. But damn. Noah had to make a video though, like I ain't make one in a long time. It's time.
Oh, yes, daddy. Oh my god.
Y'all should turn Ty's Ivy on, man.
Oh shoot, it's a nigga with a crash. Oh my god. Come on. While I'm making a video. While I'm making a video. While I'm making a video. Oh my. Oh, there, I'm good.
I'm about to make a video too.
Yeah, chill. I am turn your avatar off, boy. Nah, man. Chill out. Man.
Ohio is skipping.
Chill out with that, boy.
My Ohio life.
Yo, Ty, can I get that app?
What happened?
Heck no. For all the stuff you were doing, heck no.
Oh, my bad. What did you just say?
Ribbon and shut dance.
Fabo.
Oh, hell no.
Come on, bro. You wanna see my friend? You right there.
Reason why I don't like playing on my controllers game, cause shit be fucking tripping.
Who's this? Yeah. My friend. Are you?
Hey, you.
I literally told you like
me
10 times.
Your girlfriend?
Oh my god. I'm just asking a question.
Stop.
I literally tell you my friend, dog.
It's like that. I'm gonna throw it.
Hey man, you come asking a simple question.
Baby,
Girlfriend or friend?
That boy act.
I literally tell you it.
Sure.
Look at
Cardi.
Yeah, we're good.
Come over here.
Yo, get
I don't know.
Man, nigga.
Baby
video
Boo,
right
change your
now.
fucking name.
Get
Oh yeah, she gonna call me Baby Boo. Looking ass nigga. Yo, Baby Boo. Wait.
Brown Boy Cardi. Hi, Brown Boy Cardi. It's been a minute. Brown Boy Cardi. It's been a minute. Brown Boy Cardi.
I
Brown Boy
already
Cardi.
killed you, stop talking.
I'm a big fan,
No, you
dude.
did not.
shit.
Let me see the clip. Kill you. Let me see the
I'm
clip.
trying to see this.
Get back. Get on YouTube and hit talk to EQ. I killed you, boy.
I know the blood.
Well, let me see it. Let me see it. Wait, what's your YouTube? What's your YouTube?
I remember
I
the
just
blood.
told you. Tyrus said EQ.
Every single nigga in
Well, what
this
the
beef,
hell?
get rep for shit.
I killed you.
You know what?
I
Nah.
swear to
I know
God, for
those
10
guys.
killing
This is lyric
Day
man.
one, Brown Boy Cardi.
Nah. Let me
We've
see
known
that
each
other
other since the
photo.
fucking beginning, dude.
Okay,
You
bro.
Oh shit, they got E-clipped. EBK Reaper?
Yes,
Oh,
lyric man. He look like
damn.
a ass kid.
Is it supposed to be like the round
Bro's a normal.
caliber?
Now why you
fire?
did him
Bro's
like
a
that?
normal
black
Come on
kid. Bro's a normal black kid.
Breaking
Bro's
laws.
Wait, who took this? Wait, who took this?
Kyrie.
I did.
Hey,
Yo,
hey,
Kyrie.
hey,
Yo, Kyrie. I will give you a high five for that. I will give you a high. Give me a high five. Give me a high five.
Hold up.
Give me.
Tyrus said EQ.
No, wait, Kyrie.
Give me a high five. Give me a high.
Everybody's getting fucking E-shot in this
High five.
game, bro. Did you see the clip of this dude getting fucking
Yeah.
E-shot?
I know the bloods in the trip. I know those guys.
Make me.
Fucking
Make me.
Wait, why is he talking?
Holy shit.
Who fought in the Civil War? It's the Bloods and the Crips.
Yeah, technically, yeah, it was technically blue versus red, yo. Because you're
right.
yeah, it's technically, yeah. You think about it, you don't get the first gang war.
See, this is the event.
Is it called dead?
You really think about it?
Two
The
people.
American Civil War was the first gang warfare in history.
Man, change that shit to like.
I don't know.
The
Video
video
call.
There we go. Let me candle for
This dude said I know.
I got crashed by somebody. I
Joe,
got
yeah.
crashed.
Yo, baby
But
boo.
what's the video called, you dumbass?
Yo, baby boo.
I don't know. This way exactly because you have no clip. You have no fucking clips. Yes, I do.
One song that we did.
Wait, where's Kyrie? Where's Kyrie? Where's Kyrie?
Oh
Kyrie,
yeah.
this is
Hey,
the
nigga,
nigga.
I just
We were over
I just
there. We
released
popped in the cut, killed
the
this whole group, and then they took a video
Smoke
of
TV.
us after it.
Mate,
We popped up cut, killed the whole crew.
You did it.
I did it.
I dropped my album 2 games.
How y'all make them stickers? I got VIC Quest, but
Oh shit, I forgot to put it on
I'll
YouTube.
put mine
Oh,
on
shit.
YouTube
Trying
already.
to see her. I got the EBKK.
I'm about
I
to show
forgot to
you.
put it on
Hold
YouTube.
on.
about to make a new album called Hit the Road.
I'm trying to see how to bait them
Just
stickers.
don't risk.
Bro, I went to anime
Yeah,
Just ask
bro.
for stickers.
My next,
wanna
my
make
next one
one.
is gonna be real bump out, real bump.
F them.
No. Kirky,
It's called what?
Glazer,
Oh, no.
Down.
the Glazer, the fucking Glazer.
Oh.
Next I'm gonna be like this.
Hey, can you talk? Can you talk? Hey, can you talk?
Yeah, that's what I killed you.
Bro, Blots, what the fuck?
You know what? Nah, let's bump.
Oh shit.
Do it in real life. Do it in real life. Do it in real life.
Yeah,
Dude,
man, I make
I'm trying to see somebody die.
This guy.
I'm trying. I don't know.
I'm really.
I'm trying to
There's
see
no
somebody
video
die.
called
I'm trying to see somebody
There's
die.
no video called
Ain't
them.
nobody scared.
Said that as a
Bump in
banner.
real life. Bump in real life.
Come on.
Bump in real
Yo.
life. I wanna see somebody bleed.
Yo,
That's
you're
bad.
bapping. Yo, this kid has never told me. There's not even a video called F them. There's not even a video.
No way.
Yes, it is.
Man, it's some bull.
Yes,
Let me drop.
you.
Hold on, let me-
CK, you remember me?
Oh,
You know why?
Dude, do it. No, hold on.
Yo, Mary.
Like, how do you?
Little
What happened?
I just met my brother right here. I just met my brother right there.
Niggas are lying. Y'all
Oh
niggas
yeah,
are
for my
different
next album,
species,
yeah, for
bro.
my next album, it's gonna be.
Wait.
Y'all niggas are lying.
No, what am I doing? Hold
This
on.
kid is lying.
What's the?
What the fuck are you talking about? This kid is already
Yes.
lying.
What's the
Oh my
fucking?
god, I'm going on it.
My nigga.
Dang.
You
I
sound
know
wrong.
y'all how to do this shit,
Bitch, I can
Yeah,
gang.
but my other album gonna be Hit the Road, called Hit the Road. My nigga.
Using an
Real life.
RPG, using an RPG, really?
Yeah,
a
we been on it 2 days. Yeah. Cause if you look, I haven't been on it 2 days. I've been
Oh,
on
I'm
this
gonna
account.
put fucking
That
chick.
nigga
He's
actually
like,
other account.
Zane, you should put a sticker
Oh,
over
it
the
ain't bad. I'm
556
just.
sign.
yeah, but like, hold on, hold on.
Yo,
What
what
else?
else?
Serial killers, but they're not online right now.
Oh shit. Whoopsies.
No, you don't. You
I
said.
just know he's fat.
Oh,
Getting fucking E-clip,
oh my
dude.
god, I'm
I'm
done.
ugly now.
Oh shit, I
I'm
forgot
gonna
to
think
put
my
I
Chucky.
forgot
I
to put
think
the
I'm
text.
beast
My
now.
fu-
I think
my-
I'm a beast.
My fucking dumb.
OTF hood roleplay.
See, now you just started dick riding on.
It's you, Brown Boy Cardi.
That was so fucking bad.
Oh, I forgot. Boy Cardi's like egoing me even though I'm his day one.
I swear.
Like,
I'm literally this dude's day one, bro. I've known him since day one.
Put
that right there.
That's how I know.
Nah, you come out of nowhere and just.
He's egoing me. Are we seeing this shit?
Let's see what
I'm being egoed by my day one right now.
You know Kirky lost? You know, bro, I got that
That's
nigga
some
added
fire
on
shit
TikTok.
right
His
there.
Twitter is like a glaze.
Kirky.
Let me see.
I'll get this camera off.
Nigga.
Oh,
Guess what this nigga?
Come on, Brown Boy Cardi. I'm literally your fucking
Guess what
day
he
one,
just
dude.
texted me on
man,
TikTok?
what?
This nigga put axe okay.
I'm literally your
He
fucking day
glazed.
one.
He's
Where are you
glazing
egoing
right
me,
now.
man?
Starting.
Cause.
This nigga trying to go to war, yo.
He put Axel's gay.
Bro,
Who
Or
said
Axel
that?
K. I didn't hear.
me and this
I couldn't
dude
hear.
have known each other since we
Axel
were out
K.
of
Hella
Eagle, dude.
niggas on my TikTok put some gay stuff, but they know not to put my gay cake. That's like, hold
I
on.
remember when said one of y'all niggas kept changing the group to gay dude.
I had a group and somebody had changed it to Gay Duke. It was called King Duke. but
Gay
somebody
dude?
That's tough.
changed it.
Gay
Duke.
dudes.
Somebody
Gay
changed it.
dude? What the fuck?
Yes,
Alright,
well,
see.
it was called King
See,
Duke,
yo,
but somebody
that, you
changed
see,
it.
that's out of pocket right here. That's so out of pocket. You said,
The
where's the
nigga
gay
can't even
dudes?
say nothing. The nigga can't even say
Yeah.
nothing. Cool.
I'm gonna go to the other server.
Yeah, word.
Okay, so if I say this, nigga got a
Oh, as I can
I'm
see,
not
I'm
even
gonna trust the
gonna
music
do
now,
it.
boy.
Gay
you wrong
dudes.
there, right?
Your boy done
I be
moved
wrong.
on,
Shit,
bro.
I am.
You got a fat ass
I had
palm tree
trust
on
the
his
music
head.
like
This nigga talking about some.
5
See,
months
no,
ago.
you out of pocket. Nigga can't even say
Yeah,
shit.
My phone's looking for the gay dudes. There we are.
Nigga can't even say
Should
shit.
it win? It's a win. Know what I mean?
I look for the African.
You can tell.
I'm gonna ask Patrol.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask Patrol.
Good job, man.
Well, what the?
I'll care about the frog.
So you would have 50 or 20 on 9.
Please.
Yo, did you get shot?
They're shooting.
Yeah, I'm a Mexican.
It's the garages. How that bit must kick no some karate. That shit right there.
Straight to sponsor. No, it's straight to
Put some
sponsor.
blood to the chest. That's it. Fuck y'all little niggas feeling like.
My name's JD
You call me Kevin.
These streets blood.
Oh my
I ain't
on,
never
Kevin.
see you in this bit. What you talking about, bro?
God. You guys start being
Yeah, the car.
Oh, man. Yeah, what they got going on for to get me in that helicopter?
Why you talking about Tampa?
Hey, can I drive a car with hand tracking? Let me see, huh? I don't like playing with my controllers, cause that bit be tripping. What the?
For example, them two green tampons right there.
Hold on, nigga. This shit not fucking working too.
Brown boy.
Yup.
Never mind. You go back. What you doing?
Hey, fam. Hey, fam, can you drive me to the helicopter? You cannot hear me all the way over here. I'm geeking, boy. You over there playing this. Guess I'm gonna just walk over there. After that last video with EBK Reaper and BJ Tyler, that nigga tried to go to war with me. Gang, it was 2 a.m. in the morning. I came there to make a video and chill. I ain't said nothing else about no fucking goddamn war. I'm gonna go to war with them. I don't know. Probably when they feel like it. Oh, I got a fly up there. Instance, enjoying the good. Oh, this gonna be the first time y'all see me out that avatar right there, gang. See, this shit's so fucking fire, gang. Just look at that. Look at it. This shit's so fire. Oh, okay. Let me join the good. What a good call? Gang could. Go. Go to gang hood. And join the good. Shit looking fire though. Alright, let me go hurry up and fly up there. Fuck, I'm going. And not sitting there waiting. They added a helicopter. You know I'm going to get in that bitch and fly. Man, get your little bit fit. There. My bad. I ain't not mean to yell. Cause goddamn. Get ready so I can fly that bit. Alright. Wait, how the fuck do I fly this bit, bro? Oh shit, no, stop. Okay. I think it's like this. No, okay, chill out, bro. Chill out now. Why are we going the other way? How the fuck do I fly this bit? Oh, I got it! Take me down. How do I go down? This shit's so confusing. No, go back up. Hold on, go back up. It's alright. Look! This shit's so hard to fucking fly. No. Chill out. Don't make me fly. No. No, don't get me out the map. Don't get me out the map. Oh my god, nigga. Oh my god, this shit's so fucking hard. Fly. Where the map at? Alright. Right there. Oh my fucking. I'm about to crash out, bro. No, man, I fucking hate flying this bitch ass helicopter.
But we have to make it out the hood. You're 50-year-old man. Don't fucking air.
Title this goddamn video gonna be like, I'm trying to fly the damn helicopter. Shit tripping. Probably because I'm flying it with hand tracking. That's why I fucking tripping. That's it. So school, I just went to school game. Second day of school, already ISS. Automatically ISS. For no fuck. So yeah, I was supposed to record 2 weeks ago. But I got my game taken because I went to ISS. So yeah. I went to ISS and then they suspended me. That's how. Like, school just be glazing nowadays. What the fuck you just come from, little boy? Boy, you scared the shit. That nigga scared the fuck out. That nigga scared the shit, boy. What the fuck you just come from, nigga? Alright, let me go in this helicopter. My heart dropped, bruh. That scared the fuck out of me, nigga. Bitch, I almost throw this headset on the ground, boy. Fuck that nigga come. So I know the damn well somebody don't got the damn helicopter. Cause it's just to automatically oh my god. Get back on my main avatar. I've been in this avatar for a year, so that's you will see people in the video, they gonna be saying, you stink. Get off that avatar. Hell no. I don't wanna get off the avatar. My main avatar. If I like it, bitch. Alright, you got this, you got this. No. Oh my god! Fries! 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 Ooh! Fries. Oh my god! Oh! I'm about to crash out. Cause why this helicopter tripping, bruh? What's up, my G? Who you calling a monkey? Who you calling a monkey, lil' bruh? Who you calling a monkey, lil' bruh? Nah, cause who you talking to, lil' bruh? Who you finna like? That nigga on crack. Let me just leave that nigga alone. That boy on crack. Shiesty. I knew that song by Eli Unique. Shout out to Eli Unique, boy. That boy. Shiesty. That time. I hope this school don't glaze. I don't want to go to school like that. It's trying to be glazing. I'm about to crash. I'm about to crash out. You know I'm gonna end the video. Yeah, fuck.